Hello grade 1 students. Our lesson today is addition and subtraction equation. It's an extra lesson. Let us start with the addition equation. How can I write an addition equation? Here I have different colors of apples. We want to use these apples to write an addition sentence. Means we are going to use the plus sign. By counting the red apples and the green apples to know the number in all. Let us start with the red apples. We have 1, 2, 3 red apples plus 1, 2, 3, 4 green apples. The number in all is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We call it the sum. Let us take another example. We are going to write the correct equation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue pencil cases and 1, 2, 3 red pencil cases. So 4 plus 3. In order to know the answer, we put 4 on my head and 3 on my hand. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is equal to 7. Here we have the subtraction equation. How can I write a subtraction equation? Use the drawings to write a subtraction sentence. Means we are going to use the minus sign. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sum. And 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are crossed. When we see the cross or the X, this means that there is a subtraction equation. In order to write the subtraction sentence, we have to subtract the number in all minus crossed figures. And the answer will be the left number. The number in all is 9, as I have said. And the crossed figures are 1, 2, 3, 4. The left number is the number of figures that are not crossed. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer, which is the left number, is equal to 5. Let us take another example by writing the correct equation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ants, and 1, 2 of them are crossed. As I have said, when you see the cross or the X, this means that there is a subtraction equation. The subtraction equation or sentence is the number in all minus crossed ants, it's equal to the left number. Let us start writing it. The number in all is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I write 7 minus the crossed ants are 1, 2. I write 2 equals the left number of ants that are not crossed. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I write 5. So the subtraction sentence is 7 minus 2 equals 5. Always, we start with the greatest number, which is 7. I write 7 minus 2, not 2 minus 7. And the answer in the subtraction equation, we call it the difference, which is 5 in this case. Here we have subtraction without figure. If there is no drawing and I want to subtract, what should I do? Let us take an example. Here we have a subtraction sentence. 9 minus 5, it's equal to what? We are going to calculate the answer. But first, we have to keep in mind that In a subtraction sentence, we always start with the greater number, which is 9. Then we write the smaller number, which is 5. Now we can calculate the answer by throwing the smaller number, then count to the greater one on my hand. Let us see how we can solve it. In order to know the answer, first I have to make my fingers down like a 0. All fingers have to sleep. Then I throw the smaller number, which is 5, and count to the greater one, which is 9, on my hand. So I throw 5 and continue counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is equal to 4. Let us take more examples. 9 minus 4. I throw away 4, which is the smaller number, and count to 9, which is the bigger number. First, I close my hand, then I start counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I have 5 fingers. The answer is equal to 5. 11 minus 5. 11 is the bigger number and 5 is the smaller number. So I throw away 5 and count to 11. Keep in mind, close your hand, then start counting. So throw 5, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 6 fingers, so the answer is equal to 6. 15 minus 8. 15 is the bigger number and 8 is the smaller number. Then I throw away 8 and count to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I have 7 fingers, so the answer is equal to 7. 12 minus 12. Number the same, zero's the game. Remember the song, so the answer is equal to 0. And this is your homework. Copy the following questions on your copybook and solve. You have to write the correct addition or subtraction sentence. And here you have to subtract. Stay safe and stay home.